Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're gonna start getting right into the renovation. So in this video you're gonna see a lot of dust, dirt, sweat and maybe a little bit of tears, who knows. If you want to join us on our renovation journey and see how this really old abandoned house maybe turns into a little beautiful gem, then make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring the little bell so you can get notifications about new videos, and yeah, enjoy the video. Before we start, here are some before pictures for you. If you've seen the video from last week where we had the little abandoned house tour, you might remember these pictures because they are from there. We only moved a little bit of furniture, so we've got space for the big demolition. Coming up next. So this is the first hammer. And we put some support pillars in so we avoid the roof coming down when we take out the wall. We've done a little bit of the wall here already. Unfortunately, the camera wasn't running, so you missed that. But don't worry, there's still a lot of demolition for you to see. Enjoy! While my dad was busy taking down the wall in the living room, I scraped off all the wallpaper and then started taking the plaster off, first with a little tool and then later on with a proper thing.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors.
Proper thing means drill hammer.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. And I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day.
Yeah, so now it's time for the old kitchen floor. It's actually, if you start renovating a house, it's always a good idea to kind of rip everything out what you're sure you don't want to have in the new house. So all the loose plaster, old floors or whatever is there which is not really necessary for the renovation. It's always good to have basically a clean sheet of paper where you can start setting things up new.
Let its unsaid words be spoken, and I'll let my mind be carried by the waves. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day.
So now all the old stones have to go. Big buckets out the window because there's a big container outside. That's a good thing that we started with the downstairs, because then we only had to throw it out the window and not carry it so much. Because stones are really heavy, especially when you've got a lot of them.
Oh, I will open up my eyes.
Yeah, and there's some findings. A few coins from East Germany, and yeah, I think most of them were from East Germany. They're not much anything nowadays, so this is not really a treasure. We were always hoping for a treasure. I don't know if we can still find one. We're still hopeful. Yeah, I'm having a little break and wondering where this hole in the roof came from. My dad's putting a shovel through. It goes right into the attic. I think he opened it up to have a look what's underneath, and there was not much. Just in case you wonder why we leave some plaster on, that was actually still okay. We only took away the loose stuff to avoid it from falling down during renovation, and left the rest of it because we want to fill up the gaps with clay, which was originally used in the house as well. So we want to, downstairs at least, go for clay again. So we don't need to take it all off. Here my dad is cleaning old bricks because we are planning on reusing them. It's always quite nice if you have features, and yeah, using old bricks leaves the character of the house, at least in our opinion. You could always go for new ones, but we prefer to reuse old materials as much as we can because the whole renovation will be very, very pricey. So we try to save money where we can. That's the result, a container full of bricks and dust and dirt and all sorts of stuff. So now we have the before and after pictures. So to remind you, that was the before. Actually looks way better before compared to the after pictures, which are following soon. It looks more comfy, definitely. That was quite a dirty job and a lot of stuff went out. I'm sorry that the before and after pictures are not really satisfying, but well, this is how it is when you start renovating. You take all the old stuff out and then it looks like a mess for some time. So this was the first part. Next week we're gonna go and have a look in the attic and see what surprises are waiting for us there. If you don't want to miss it, then make sure to subscribe to our channel, ring the little bell so you get notifications about new videos from us. And if you like the video, we would be so happy to get your thumbs up and maybe a nice comment if you like. So this was it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time with the next task. Bye!